In this video, I will show you how you can add or remove widgets on the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, just go to the home screen of your Samsung phone, then tap and hold on the empty space on the home screen. From here, just tap on widgets. Now on this screen, just scroll down and select the widget which you want to add to the home screen. For example, I'll select the clock app, and from here just select the widget which you want to add to the home screen. Then tap on add, and you will add the widget to the home screen of your Samsung phone, just like that. Now you can add multiple widgets to the home screen at the same time. As you can see, this is how you can add widgets to the home screen. But if you want to remove any widget from the home screen of your Samsung phone, then just tap and hold on the widget which you want to remove and select remove. And by doing that, the selected widget will be removed from the home screen, just like that. But if you want to remove a widget stack, for example, I'll create a widget stack. So I'll just add this widget to the home screen. Now I will create a widget stack. As you can see, we have created a widget stack on our phone. Now if you want to remove a widget stack, just tap and hold on the stack and select remove all. And if you tap on remove all, you'll remove the whole widget stack from your phone. But if you want to remove a specific widget from the stack, just tap on edit stack, then tap on the minus icon on the widget which you want to remove, just like that. And after you do that, then just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.